And I became a millionaire just like that.
I can't believe this shit! I was this close to the biggest payoff of my life!
There will be way more opportunities to make mad cash down the road. You just need to open your eyes to the possibilities.
I have an idea. This is where you'll come in.
Enter the building like normal and attract as little attention to yourself as possible.
Can I help you, ma'am?
It's Paula. She knows this building like the back of her hand.
Server room's actually down in the basement. I'll escort you.
Say no! Say no! Say no! Say no! You'll go to the master computer and install the mining software from this little guy.
I don't even know what I'm plugging in.
That's it! You are done!
Oh,
Who the hell are you?
Yo, my name's Evan. I'm just trying to find someone to fix my laptop.
You tried turning it off and back on again?